And welcome back. I didn't show you this before the break, but we'll show it to you now. We did reach 66 degrees today, so we were right around where we should be for this time of year. And we received officially 4/100ths of an inch of rain. We're still sitting almost an inch below where we should be this time of year. We'll probably add to that a little bit as we go on throughout the next several days. We have several chances of rain. I did show you this before the break. We do have some kind of scattered showers. Most of this is pretty light, a few little moderate cells showing up. And if I zoom this on out, there's a little bit of a storm complex happening near Houston, off into western Louisiana. This will move into our area most likely. Some of the models are hinting at it, maintaining its strength as it does. Now, it's not severe at the moment, but as we get on to early Wednesday morning, really, we're talking 4 or 5 a.m. right around that time frame, it could impact southern Mississippi, Hattiesburg included. So just be aware of that. What's kind of cool is if you look at it on water vapor right now, we have pretty dry air over our area, and there's those storms kind of flaring up, but you can actually see why they're firing. See this little spin going on right here in northeastern Texas? Yeah, it's just a little low pressure that kind of forms right there, and that's created a little boundary out here that these storms are kind of firing alongside. That's why we think most of this will reach into our areas, because that little spin is not going to go away anytime soon. So, all right, how about tonight's forecast? Well, rain, maybe a thunderstorm or two. Most likely that's going to be further south and to the west. 54 degrees, those winds will be out of the east, right around 5 miles per hour. And then as we get on into tomorrow, yeah, we still do have that chance for some thunderstorms. Those southerly winds aren't helping us. I mean, they keep us warm. We're talking 70-degree temperatures, but that moisture, of course, comes up from the Gulf. And we have several rounds of upper-level disturbances that are going to move on through anywhere from Wednesday night to Thursday and even on into your weekend. I think your Saturday is looking okay right now, but Sunday right now is not. So just be prepared for that. Forecasted highs for tomorrow, yeah, we'll be in the mid-70s. The winds will still be out of the southeast or so, right around 5 miles per hour. And again, shower or thunderstorm around. I'll show you here on your future radar. You can see there's that complex trying to move on through. The heavier stuff stays down to the south near Gulfport, but overall, some of that will move into our area. You can see up in Meridian, Jackson, still a few scattered showers. And those will be kind of the story throughout the day. Might get a little bit of a break near midday. And as we get on to Wednesday night, a better shot, as we do have another one of those upper-level disturbances moving on through. So Thursday through Monday, really for us, it's Thursday through Sunday. We're talking some flash flooding and still have those swollen rivers and streams, as we do still have some of those yet to crest, and travel disruptions are likely because we'll have plenty of moisture up in our area. And then later this week, we still will try and move on off, and we're talking later this week, Friday into Saturday. We'll move the rain on off to our east, jet stream far to our north, but we still do have some of those upper level disturbances. We're talking 1 to 1.5 inches of rain over the next 5 days. So in your temperature outlook for Sunday into portions of next week, pretty below average. So we're going to start next week on a chilly note. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go. We'll be in the 70s for the next 3 days. Showers and thunderstorms around for your Wednesday, as well as on to your Thursday. This will mainly start Wednesday evening into the overnight hours and then move in Thursday. Variable clouds around for your Friday. Overnight lows will be in the 60s and 50s. And as we get into your Saturday, try to enjoy that, because, and even your Friday really, but we're talking mid to upper 70s. And then a little front moves on through, going into your Sunday, dropping us in the 60s. Morning rain and thunderstorms throughout the day. And then a pretty stout cold front moves through going into Monday. We're talking highs only in the mid to upper 40s, overnight lows below freezing, and we'll have another night below freezing most likely Tuesday night. And Tuesday right now is looking a little rainy as well. So there is a slight chance, and I'm putting this out there. It's not even showing on there right now, but there is a slight chance. Some of the models are trying to hint at maybe a little bit of flurries across our area. I don't think that's going to happen, but if that rain does stick around long enough Tuesday night, we could have maybe a snowflake or two. It's really about it, though, because I don't think we're going to get anything measurable, so don't worry about that. But it might be kind of nice to walk outside and see, a snowflake falling down.
He said it, not me.
I did. I said there's a slight chance. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It probably won't happen, let's be honest. We're right next to the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to probably have some southerly winds, and it's going to blow it on out of here. But I'd just like to mention, hey, we could have a little snowflake or two.
Thank you, sir.